Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the turnover ceremony of one of the Agricultural Innovation Initiative right here in Western Visayas Integrated Agricultural Research Center. Today, we present the audiovisual of the project, Establishment of Smart Greenhouse and Capacity Building in the Philippines. The project, funded by the Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Rural Affairs of the Republic of Korea, is a testament to the enduring friendship between the Philippines and the Korean government. Launched on March 31, 2022, it is fully managed by the Korea Agency of Education, Promotion and Information Service in Food, Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries, with the implementation led by Hankyong National University. This smart greenhouse, a marvel of climate-proof, mechanized and automated technology, offers a solution to the Philippines' climate change concerns. Spread across a 3,000 square meter area, 10 greenhouses were designated for mushroom, tomato, and paprika cultivation. This project aims to enhance the production and competitiveness of small and mid-sized farmers. Specifically, the project aims to increase the production of quality produce, improve knowledge of implementers and farmers, and enhance the distribution channels of high-value crops. The project, with a budget of 65 million pesos based on the exchange rate of 1,190 Korean won per $1 and 50 pesos per $1, encompasses the establishment of smart greenhouses and capacity building. 4-unit solar-powered greenhouses for tomato and paprika, and 6 units connected to a local electric distributor for mushroom are complemented by short-term and long-term training programs. In the execution of this multifaceted project, key components have unfolded to push its success. First, the establishment of the smart greenhouse, marking a significant milestone. The structures for tomato and paprika were completed in January 2022, while the mushroom facilities were finished in February of the same year. Equally important endeavor was the capacity building, encompassing various training initiatives. In February 2022, 2 short-term training sessions were conducted with 26 participants each. One focused on tomato and paprika cultivation, while the other honed in on mushroom cultivation. The journey didn't stop there, as 3 extensive long-term training programs were piloted. 2 accommodated 22 participants each, delved into tomato and paprika, transpiring from May to October 2022 and February to July 2023. Simultaneously, a training from November 2022 to April 2023 honed the skills of 8 participants in mushroom production. Here are some of the project updates. In a single unit of smart greenhouse, 1 production cycle of cherry tomato, melon, and paprika realized an ROI of 22.9%, 10.1%, and 58.4% respectively. While in shiitake mushroom, an ROI of 54.13% can be realized in 1 production cycle in 1 growing house. Projected payback period for an investment in shiitake is 1.8 years. The long-term training did not only empower individuals but also benefited a farmers' organization. The smart greenhouse has become a hub for knowledge sharing. Numerous visitors from different regions have toured the facility to gather information for their own greenhouse projects. This collaborative exchange is contributing to the broader dissemination of valuable insights and practices. The smart greenhouse is recognized as a tourist destination, and work is underway on finalizing good agricultural practices initiatives and a techno-guide on shiitake production. Looking ahead, the project aims to become a research hub, explore new high-valued commodities, and source budget for solar energy for the mushroom greenhouse. A pick-and-pay concept for the produce, and display of about-to-be-harvested shiitake fruiting bags in malls. The project will also serve as a venue for more trainings for interested stakeholders. Success stories include trainees setting up their own greenhouses and applying daily learnings in their farming practices. Research collaborators with the academes are also welcome. As we bring this presentation to a close, we extend an invitation for you to explore into the invaluable insights and perspectives shared by our key stakeholders.
Mayong aga sa tanan, ako gali si Reby Palmihar, fourth son of Ray Palmihar and Elena Palmihar. Ako ay dati nga seaman, former seafarer, and nag-venture out sa smart greenhouse farming. Siling ko, okay man, mabudlay, pero malipay man. And then, kay tungod nga upod kami sa barko nagaplano, nag-venture out kami karon sa smart greenhouse. Amo na, nga nagkanto kami dito sa West Biarc kag mag-training. Luckily, nga naka-training kami dito. Pasalamat din kami sa West Biarc, sa Western Visayas Research Center, nga ginupod nila kami as a trainee dito. And for 6 months, damo gid ang amon natun-an sa maintenance, sa nutrient management, pest management, and madamo pa. So, ang pinaka dako nga aspeto nga nahatag sa akon sang project nga ni ay ang umpisa sa construction. Ang pag-construct sang tama sa kalidad nga greenhouse ang makabulig nga para sa mga tanom nga mag-strive and makaproduce in quality product. Like for example, ang height, ang ventilation, and ang mga correct tools and equipment like irrigation, nutrient management. Isa sa mga pinaka-importante na makaproduce kami sa quality products, makapagawa naman sa market na matandaan nila nga this product is a quality and deserve nila na bayaran ang quality product na ma-produce namon. Thank you very much sa West Biarc for this opportunity, and also to the Korean government, to the APs that na ako ay na-include sa isa sa mga trainee na naka-avail sa training nila about sa smart greenhouse. Na ini nakahatag gid sang dako nga contribution sa akon, hindi lang sa financial, kundi sa akon yung mga skills, knowledge, kag mga techniques. So thank you very much. Very very fortunate gid ako. Isa sa mga trainee ako nga nagrantan sang sini nga knowledge. So thank you very much.
The experience I got from the Smart Greenhouse training was very valuable for me. I learned a lot of technology in this training. For one, I learned how to manage fruiting hydroponics. As you can see in my background, I was able to produce cherry tomatoes and salad tomatoes. And I've also produced melons and bell peppers. In this, I learned a lot from this training. The technologies I learned, one very important is automation. I saw the model of automation in the Korean Smart Greenhouse, and I applied it immediately in my lettuce greenhouse. I created a module that would control the temperature, the humidity, the water pumps, and even the timer of my irrigation. I learned it from this smart greenhouse. Another thing that I've learned is how to sanitize my pots. Before, I used to sanitize them in bulk. I learned a technique from this training that you can sanitize the pots by just covering it with UV plastic and then covering the greenhouse with UV plastic for several days, and that in turn is a very good way to sanitize my greenhouse. So right now, before I start any project, I do that procedure. It helps me a lot by not sanitizing it one by one. It saves me on labor, it saves me time. And then of course the management on how to manage properly from the seedlings, the growth, the vegetative state to the fruiting stage of of these plants, I learned a lot from on how to manage them, and even on managing the pests and diseases on this fruiting vegetables. I learned a lot from this training. I would like to take this opportunity to give my heartfelt thanks to the Department of Agriculture, specifically to Western Visayas Regional Field Office 6, and to the Korean government. The technology or the learnings that I learned from this training is really invaluable. It's very meaningful for me as a farmer to learn all of this technology, and because of your help, because of the help of the Korean government and the Department of Agriculture, I was trained to do this, and as you can see, the training has been fruitful, and I would like to continue and even do my part in training other farmers to learn this technology. Once again, thank you very much, Department of Agriculture and the Korean government.
The project's impact is notable for its comprehensive approach to addressing agricultural challenges. The introduction of smart greenhouse technology signifies a leap forward in agricultural practices. Moreover, the project goes beyond immediate agricultural concerns. It incorporates a strong capacity building component, equipping local farmers and stakeholders with the knowledge and skills needed to leverage these innovative technologies effectively. This emphasis on capacity building ensures the sustainability of the project's impact by empowering the local community to adapt and thrive in the evolving modern agriculture. In essence, the establishment of smart greenhouse and capacity building project is not just a solution to current agricultural challenges. It is a catalyst for a transformative and sustainable future in farming. By integrating innovation with education, the project creates a holistic framework that not only addresses the immediate needs of the agricultural sector, but also positions the community for long-term success in the face of evolving global demands and environmental considerations. Thank you for joining us in this journey of growth, innovation, and friendship. Together, let's cultivate a greener and smarter future.